In this video, I'll be showing you how to create webhook on Discord. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's really easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything that you're using Discord on. So all you want to do is go over to Discord. As you can see, I have mine open, and then go to whichever server you have admin rights to or you're the owner of. Now, once you're here, all you got to do is go ahead and click on the settings icon for whichever channel you want this hook on. Then go over to integrations, which is going to be this fourth option here. As you can see, it says customize your server with integration, manage webhooks, and follow channels. So I see webhooks right here. Currently it's 0. Go ahead and press create webhook right there. And now it's just created a webhook. I can rename it anything I want. I can change the image of it, and I can change what channel I want it for. Now I can also copy the webhook URL, or I can delete the webhook as well. And I can also add more webhooks. And if you don't know what they are, but they're basically a simple way to post messages from other applications and websites into Discord using Magic. And you can even build one yourself too. And yeah, it's as simple as that.